Thanks for joining us at Tech ARP today. Today, we are getting our hands on with all three retail colors of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. The true successor to the Z Fold series is now the new Z Fold 8 Ultra. What Samsung now calls the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is an 7.6-inch device that folds into a compact 5.5-inch form factor. From left to right, you have Graphite, Cream, and Lavender. Let's start with a closer look at the Graphite model. As you can see, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is a much more compact device, but it is still a two-handed device. The Z Fold 8 is slightly thicker than the Ultra model at 4.5 millimeters unfolded. However, it is slightly lighter at 201 grams. It still has the same 10-megapixel camera embedded into the display. Turn it around, and you will find a 50-megapixel main camera with a wide f1.8 aperture and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with an f1.9 aperture. Close it up, and you will activate the 5.5-inch cover screen, which also has an embedded 10-megapixel camera. The 5.5-inch cover display is big enough to use on its own, but still requires two hands to use properly due to its squarish 4:3 aspect ratio. Now let's take a closer look at Cream, a soft, elegant matte white option. Unlike the two variants with color-matched frames, Cream features a raw, unpainted aluminum frame. Folded up, the Z Fold 8 is slightly thicker than the Ultra at 9.7 millimeters. At the bottom, you will find the USB Type-C data and charging port. The volume control and power buttons are located on the left side. Up top is the SIM tray. Finally, we have Lavender, this year's hero color. Under the hood, all Galaxy Z Fold 8 models are powered by the custom Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. You get 12 gigabytes of memory with 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of storage, while the maxed out 1 terabyte model gets a beefy 16 gigabytes of RAM. Even though it is smaller than the Ultra model, it comes with a large 4,800 mAh battery. So, what do you think of the Galaxy Z Fold 8? And which color would you pick? Drop a comment below. For more details, click on the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Tech ARP for more tech coverage. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.